Lovelies! I have a very exciting unboxing today. This is the new Wren pen from Tom Studio. They sent me one, but I also am very excited because this is the one they sustainably made from recycled plastic. So very nice that they've got more popcorn tea for me. And as usual, a little thank you, and this explains all the earth-friendly packaging that they have, so it's nice to have that also in the box. So this is the pen. They also included a few. This is what they used to make the pen, as you can see. We'll see how the pen looks like later, but this is basically the chippings of the plastic, so that what gives it the fun colors. I guess this is all different. Is it different colors or is it the same? I think they're the same, but this is the Wren. They also included some more of the tips and the sponges, so I can use different colors with that, so that's very nice. But this is the star of the show, the Wren. I'm very excited. Oh, their packaging is so cute now. Look at that. I'm very excited to see what it looks like, because obviously we don't know what the inside. The plastic bit will be dependent on what kind of chips they put in, so I'm excited to see the colors. So it opens like this. Oh, I really like this box. Ta-da! Actually a very nice color. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like, it's very slightly pinky, a lot of pinks, a lot of like all these colors. I'm very fascinated because this doesn't look like something you get from the colors from the chipping, so it's really nice. I get to choose the inside color, so I chose purple because it's one of my favorite color. So okay, I thought you twist, but it's nice to know that you just, like, you know, pop it out like that, and then that's the pen. I'm glad it comes in that color because the color looks like very, this color especially goes very nice with the purple. So let me show you a little bit closer. See all the colors. This section matches with that, so I'm very excited. Let's see what else they sent me. Oh, that's very nice. They sent me a few of the ink samples. This is a Rambling Rose, and then this one is Sunny Teal, and this one is Forest Green, New Forest Green. I guess they have an old one. Oh, which one do I think Forest Green is more my color, but with this color pen, I feel like I should maybe do a pink. Yeah, let's do the pink, shall we? Let's do the pink one, because I feel like it will match the color of this one very nicely. Okay, let's do that. Oh, interesting that it's like a little dropper bottle. It's very easy to fill this in. All you have to do is basically just, because there's a capillary action that they have. This is the same as their Lumos pen that I've already featured before in my channel, and all you have to do is submerge this with ink. You just have to put it in ink, and then it'll go up, and then you can use it. So we'll do that right now. What we'll do is we'll use this and we'll fill it up. It actually comes in a dropper bottle as well, so I need to put it somewhere so it doesn't drip. Maybe I'll use one of these to hold on to it for a bit. Just going to empty it up. So it's really easy. What you have to do is you just put it in, and then you see the color going. It's very fast, isn't it? Look at that. See, the colors is starting to come into the tip, and that's when you know it's already well absorbed. It's already well absorbed. I can't speak today. Then once it's already all in there, all you have to do is wipe off excess ink, and then you screw back your body, the Wren body. And there you go, you have the ink inside. I'm actually very excited to try this. So let's try that on a piece of paper. We'll move this to the side first. Oh, and we have to close off this because it's very dangerous to leave ink open. So okay, let's try that one. Oh, it's actually very nice. It makes it a little bit more pastel. It's not as strong. If you compare it to the color of this, it's not as strong as this, which is nice because I like pastel stuff. I also wonder if you can use the tips interchangeably with the Lumos tips, because that would be nice and it will add extra tips to my collection. So I like that. As always with Tom Studios tips, they feel really good to write with. I really like this. I want to see if I can get some brush tips from the Lumos ones, because I actually do love the feel of that. Because these feels like a felty pen and that one feels like a brush. So tip wise, I'm still liking that tip more. Let me show you that one as well. This is my Lumos, and you already know this probably because you've watched my Lumos video. And this one is the Japanese brush tip, and I really like it because you can do really amazing things and tin like this. Because you know I do a lot of lettering and calligraphy. This pen is really amazing to me. Year on, I still really love this pen. If you want to see my initial unboxing and first impression, there's already a video. I'll link you to that. But this is the star of the show today, the Wren. I'm very impressed with this plastic made out of recycled plastic because it feels substantial. It doesn't feel very plasticky at all, and the color that it come out with are actually quite gorgeous. I didn't think that like the color will come out this nice, but it is quite nice. I'm going to be using this a lot. I think it's very nice, this pink funfetti color. I think it comes with a few different colors for the tip, but I'm glad I got the funfetti one because I do like myself a little bit of pastel. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. This is very easy. When you cap it back, it becomes such a small form factor because it's only this much. Look, it's as small as my hand. I don't have particularly big hands, but it's very nice and small. If you compare it like to the ink sample, it's just a little tiny bit bigger. And if I compare it to the Lumos as well, look how small it looks against the Lumos. It's probably the size of one of the sections like that. But I really like it. I'm always very impressed with pens by Tom Studio because the tip are always very nice to write with. So if you're a pen fan, is that even a if you're a pen enthusiast, you might want to check out this one. I'm really happy with that, and thank you Tom Studio for sending this to me. Yeah, I'm really obsessed with this part because it's just very nice. Look at that. Look at the swirl. I just really like it. Oh, and then there's like a little I don't know if you can see, but there's a little stamp logo on the top. I'm so happy with that. I hope this video helps if you're looking to get a Wren. It's very nice. I really like the tip. And another thing that I really like with this is that you can use your fountain pen colors, because as a fountain pen user I have a lot of fountain pen inks, but it's nice to put it into different tips and not just the fountain pen tips, because this one I feel like it's not going to be as wet as the fountain pen because the tips are more like the spongy kind of tip. It's so easy to replace if you ever need to, you know, change your color and stuff. You just have to change this and change the tip. They also sell extra tips, so I'm actually very happy that one purchase that you make with this pen and then you can use it forever and ever. You just have to get tips, and the tips are pretty affordable, so I'm very happy with their pens. I do have a coupon code for an extra 10% off your purchase, so I will put all the details down below and the links to this and the Lumos, and I'll link up my Lumos video as well. I'm also thinking to do a 1 year with Lumos kind of video soon, but that video basically is going to tell you my experience after 1 year of using Lumos, because it's one thing to unbox new things, but I think sometimes I'm more interested in how do they find it after they use it on and on, so you'll know how much I love it, I guess. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that if you're looking to hope that somehow helps the decision, or if you just want closer look on the pen. I also find it interesting that it has this double gap thing, not gap, the double rubber thing. So I think it'll just make the fit a little bit nicer, because you push it and then it won't budge too much unless you knock it over and stuff. So you have to make sure you press it in until you can't see the rubber when you put it in. But I really appreciate that, because also the double rubber meant that it's less likely for your ink to dry in that, so I'm glad for that. So, and these comes in a lot of different colors, and I think these comes in like 4 like the plastic ones anyway. The recyclable ones comes in 4 colors, and I think they also have the ones with the same color or different color from the pen. So hopefully that helps your decision if you're looking to get one, or maybe you just need, like, you know, details on each of the parts of it. I really enjoyed this unboxing, and I will keep writing with it, and then maybe I'll do an update video. Let me know if you do one update video. But that's all for now. Thank you so much, Studio, for sending me this, and remember, I do have a 10% off coupon code down below if you're thinking of getting it, and I'll link everything down below as well if you're interested. And I hope this helped your decision. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.